Hi there, Sarah Peternell here with Family Nutrition Services. We're doing something kind of different here today. I'm actually going to be talking about a test that I offer in my office. This is actually the Bio-impedance Analysis Test device. It's called the RJL Quantum 4. That's the model here that I have. But I want to explain what the purpose of this test is, how it works, and how it fits in with the Springboard Detox program, which is launching today. So first of all, I just want to know how many people have a scale in their home. If you do, raise your hand. Your scale probably doesn't give you very good information about your total health. Am I right? It tells you how much you weigh. Great. This number probably changes between 3 and 10 pounds on average in a 24-hour cycle. If you're hydrated, if you're dehydrated, if you've just eaten, if you haven't eaten, if you've just exercised, if you haven't exercised, all of that stuff can factor into the number on the scale, but it doesn't tell you what it actually means behind the scenes. The RJL Quantum 4, or a Bio-impedance Analysis device, is a device that actually tells you a lot more information about your body. It's very useful in a nutritional setting because it helps me to help you set better goals for things that will actually really benefit and impact your life in a positive way. Certain things that we can learn from this test are: how hydrated are you? How much body fat do you have? How much lean mass do you have? And what you probably don't know is how much of these things should you have. So that's why I offer this test in my office. I'm actually going to do it on myself here for you in just a moment. I've gone ahead and applied the bio-impedance stickers, two on my hand and 2 on my foot. So I am actually going to show you how it works because a lot of people have questions about, is this safe? Is it invasive? Does it hurt? Will I feel anything? Absolutely not. This is a totally safe device. The only people that it is contraindicated for are women who are pregnant or may be pregnant, and any individuals who have a pacemaker or an electrical device implanted someplace in their heart or their body. Otherwise, it's totally safe. I don't do this on very many children. I usually wait until a child has completed fully through puberty and adolescence. So young adults, maybe as young as 17 years old, are good candidates for this particular test in my office. So what it does is it actually conducts a mild electrical current through your body. It uses these sensor cables to conduct the current using electrode stickers placed on your right hand and your right foot. And what you'll do is you will come to my office and you'll lay down. I have a massage table in my office just for this purpose, because a horizontal position really is best to get the best reading. So I will apply these stickers to your skin, as I just discussed, and then we hook up these little clamps onto the stickers, and again at the bottom. I started using this test several years ago. I was actually trained on it at a continuing education event that I went to, and then I started using this device pretty regularly in a job that I had many, many years ago working in a gym, where of course you can imagine a lot of people really care about their body composition. Their old way of doing it was with the manual calipers, which you've probably seen before. It kind of looks like a protractor or something, and it actually is a pinching device that measures body fat just on skin folds, which is, unless this person really knows what they're doing, handling that manual device, it can be a very inaccurate test. It also doesn't include the total body composition. It's only measuring the subcutaneous areas of fat, and it doesn't measure muscle, which is another drawback. So I started using this tool a lot in the gym, and it just really opened my mind to how this test is so useful and so beneficial in a nutritional setting to help people with their goals. So I'll turn the device on, and then I just lay back comfortably in a horizontal position, as I said. And now the current is being administered, but I can't feel anything. The device administers less electrical current even than what you get from your cell phone. Of course, we're on those all the time, so it is very safe. And what the device is doing is it's measuring resistance and reactance of the current in my body. So what is the current bumping into? Is it bumping into water molecules? Is it bumping into fat molecules? Is it bumping into muscle, bone, etc.? And then the reactance is sort of the speed at which that current is able to move through my body. So when you're here in my office, and I'll do this test for you, especially if you're doing the Springboard, there is one before and after, so you can see the results of your hard work on the Springboard. I will take your numbers from this device and enter it into my software program on my computer, and then we get to see how effective Springboard testing is, or Springboard program is for you, and this device gives us lots of information. So I wanted to share with you about this test today. I'm very excited that Springboard is officially launching today. If you have any questions, you can go to the link in my bio on Instagram. You can also find my website on YouTube. You can go to my homepage, sarahpeternell.com, or you can also direct message me for more information. I look forward to working with you, and stay tuned for more information on Springboard coming soon. Thanks.